Women on Boards is an amazing network. In fact, when you join Women on Boards, we always say you join a league of extraordinary women. And they truly are. So, and we've put, thousands and thousands of women on boards and committees, inspired many others to serve, but also really helped people position themselves within their career for senior management and for leadership roles, because in the end, quite often it's those roles that'll help them step onto larger boards, particularly in the ASX and things like the superannuation sectors. So it's an extraordinary network. Many friendships have been built, many business relationships have been built, and it's a network of reciprocity. We always say at WOB, you meet the woman whom you are, the woman whom you were, and the woman whom you will become. And all of those three levels really work in the round to serve each other. So it's a network where everybody puts a hand down or a hand out to help someone else up.